Hello, my name is Dr. Pranay Desai and I'm a gynecological endoscopic surgeon practicing in Mumbai. I've been trained in gynec endoscopy under the guidance of Dr. Sanket Pisat. During my training period, I attended the course which is organized by Sanket Sir and Dr. Seema Pandey, which is held at Azamgarh. The course was for 3 days and we operated around 30 to 35 cases. Besides assisting Sir in almost all surgeries, I also was provided hands on training in the form of trocar insertions, hysteroscopic entry techniques, hysteroscopic polypectomy, septal incision, and a case of laparoscopic ovarian cystectomy. I also assisted Sir in more complex cases like a case of laparoscopic myomectomy for a large myoma, which required ligation of the uterine artery at its origin, and this provided me a lot of knowledge about the retroperitoneal anatomy. I also received a few infertility tips from Dr. Seema Pandey. The 3 day course of endoscopy was a feast which was filled with practical knowledge, hands on training, and a lot of fun. I did not even know how to insert a trocar, and now I'm able to perform complex hysteroscopic and laparoscopic surgeries independently. I would highly recommend this course to everyone without a second thought.